proud to present to you my greatest creation, the iLamp. This is a G4 Apple iMac which I have rebuilt into a desk lamp. The original design of this iMac was groundbreaking, and I wanted my lamp to be just as cool. I've invested an extraordinary amount of research and development into the design, and I think that the end result is simple and elegant. The lamp comes with a neutral white LED bulb. It uses 4 watts and produces 200 lumens, which is perfect for accent lighting. The finish on the socket, pole chain, harp, and cap is polished nickel. On the right you can see the original aluminum base plate, which is scuffed and scratched. I've developed a refinishing process to remove most of the scratches, as well as the unsightly barcodes and lettering. Installed at the base is an Apple USB wall charger. You can charge your iPhone, iPod, or iPad mini. The USB port is powered even when the light's off. When not in use, simply slide the excess power cable back into the base. Simply plug in your device's USB cable and pull out as much as necessary. The rest can stay coiled up beneath the base of the lamp. Out the back of the lamp is an 8-foot long braided cloth power cord. I offer finished lamps for sale. I also offer a do-it-yourself kit which contains all the materials and video instructions needed to turn your own G4 iMac into a lamp. I've designed the kit version to be simpler and easier to build using standard household tools. For more information, visit www.jakeharms.com.